How to auto record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE and other Samsung One UI 6.1 devices. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the phone app. Tap the three vertical dots. Tap the settings. Now here you can find the record calls option on a Samsung device. Tap the record calls. Now here at the top you can see auto record calls, show notification after recording, recorded calls and delete old recording. 4 settings for record calls. To automatically record phone call, first of all toggle on auto record calls option at the top. Tap on it. Here you can find the 3 different options. By default set the all calls, so automatically record your phone call when you make a phone call on the device. If you can choose calls with unsaved number, so only private number record call on your device, unknown number or you not save on your phone. And the last, call with a specific number. Here you can select the contact you want to record a phone call for specific contact on your device. Also tap on numbers to auto record. Here you can add the phone number manually, enter the number you want to record a phone call. Also choose from the contact list or recent contact from your device. Tap on a plus icon and record this number phone call on your device. So quite easy to auto record phone calls on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle off it to stop auto record calls on your device. When you go back, here you can find recorded calls. So you can find the list of all recorded calls here. No call recording. And at the end you can find the delete old recording option if available records on your device. So easily turn on or turn off auto record calls on a Samsung S24 FE and other Samsung One UI 6.1 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.